Every one of us. We wanted to start this seminar 5 o'clock. I didn't know it was 5 o'clock. But the information I got from one of us, some of us, is that they are actually 4 o'clock. So some of us have actually been here by 4 o'clock. So I apologize. So we'll be very, very brief this evening. And I want to enjoy you to please stay with us in this seminar. I also want to congratulate all of us here. It's a platform that we brought to you. The platform is MMM. And since most of you have been on strike, on break, we've actually been setting our foundation here in Ife. But we believe the sole reason why we came down here to Ife is because of the students on campus. Mostly. Because we believe that youth are the most important group of people that can actually enjoy this opportunity. It's an opportunity we have been enjoying in Akure. I actually finished from OAU here, so I moved to Akure for my business. And I got in touch with this opportunity 3 months ago, which has actually transformed my life financially. So, to start the seminar now, I will want to say 1 or 2 things, which is for us to be mindful of this seminar. It's very, very important. But first of all, I will just narrate a story that happened. I actually attended a seminar some time ago, and during the seminar, the moderator, the person that was actually talking to us, brought out a 10,000 naira note. And he said, we want to give it out to one person in the audience. And so he said, anybody that wants 10,000 naira should actually raise up their hands. Immediately, all of us started raising up our hands. Who knows what 10,000 naira? So for like 5 minutes, he was saying, more hands up. Who wants this 10,000 naira? More hands up. So a lot of hands were raising up, but nobody was actually standing up to go and get the money. So suddenly, we just saw this lady stood up and ran towards the man and collected 10,000 naira. And the man gave it to her. So later on the man said, that's how most of us behave. We see opportunities, we talk about it, we dream about it, but we never take action. The lady actually took action and got the money. So I want us to take action on this platform. We will be so brief and we'll be so direct. The platform that I want us to key into. So I want to motivate us, I want to encourage us that we can all play in this. When I started with no dime. And I know where I am now. So I'm going to do us a favor now. Before the program runs out, I will just show my account in MMM, and just for us to see. So I will invite our speaker for today to join us, speak to us about the opportunities in MMM. Thank you. I invite Okwandi Adedamola. It's also a gather in MMM, and we're going to